Enough too, yes, right across most parts of the British Isles. The cloud thick enough for rain across Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland too. Tomorrow I'm hopeful as ever of a little bit more sunshine perhaps, and we'll still keep it on the mild side. The big picture shows a couple of things of interest. Please bear this one in mind. It'll come in handy for the weekend. And if it rained with you across the northeast of England, well, that's the little feature that brought it to you. And in between those two features, as I say, enough cloud for rain across Scotland. Now, there will be patchy rain yet again across northern and western Scotland overnight. Elsewhere, quite a cloudy night, but where the cloud breaks, it may well be that we see some mist and fog developing, and your temperatures will fall below these values. But essentially, as I say, it is quite a mild old night for many parts of the British Isles. So let's start off the new day on Friday. Dry enough, yes, let's accept that. But where that cloud has broken overnight, there will be some mist and fog around West Berkshire, over towards Wiltshire, down towards the Channel, certainly into parts of the southwest of England too. But notice these figures for the starting values of the day. That really is exceptionally mild. Dry enough across Wales, but rather devoid of sunshine. Similar sort of prospect in Northern Ireland. Look at that cricket score, 13 degrees. Still the rain persisting, I'm afraid, across the north and northwest of Scotland, but at least there's a chance of some brightness over towards the east coast. Southern uplands might be a wee bit murky, and the north of England quite dull too in the first part of the day, with the best of any sunshine at all over towards the east coast. Now let me take you on through the morning. Slow progress, but I think we'll get rid of the mist and fog, and eventually some of that cloud will begin to break up quite nicely as well, such that as we get on towards lunchtime into the first part of the afternoon, East Wales, southern and eastern England, eastern Scotland, eastern side of Northern Ireland, all fine and dandy, really improving quite nicely, and the temperatures well above the seasonal average. Different story though up in the northwest of Scotland. That weather front's still there, but as I take you out of Friday into Saturday, note the progress coming down across the British Isles about halfway, and notice too that the isobar is beginning to show signs of bringing in a northwesterly rather than a southwesterly, and that just helps to break up the cloud across the northern half of the British Isles, but the temperatures fall away despite the sunshine. In the south, still grey, still rather leaden, and then as we get out of Saturday into Sunday, we complete the process. That cooler, fresher air works its way right down across the British Isles. Forget all about 17 and 18, it's hello 12, but at least the sun comes out, and that's a welcome visitor at this time of year. More details on the website as ever, and I'll see you again tomorrow night, but for the moment, good night.